guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a huge wardrobe declutter, and in this video I'm decluttering loads of things. So I'm decluttering all of my skirts, dresses, play suits and jumpsuits, and I didn't realise I had this many until I got everything out of my other wardrobe and put it on this clothes rail, and I looked and I was like, that's a lot of stuff that I need to get rid of. I think it ended up being about 80 pieces of clothing that I'm decluttering in this video, so that is a lot of stuff. And because it took such a long time, I have had to put it in two parts. So this is the second part. So the first part I will link it down below for you so you can check it out. But in that video I did the first part of this declutter, and in this video I am going to be doing the second part. So you're going to be able to see how many I declutter overall and what it looks like before and after. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So like I mentioned, this actually took quite a long time to do because I ended up taking some things out of my wardrobe in my own bedroom, putting them on the clothes rail in my spare bedroom, and I had a lot of stuff, and I feel like I probably could have got rid of even more, but it's one of those where I was looking at it and I was like, you know, I might wear it this summer. So if I don't wear things this summer, I will be doing another declutter, and then if I don't wear it, I will just end up getting rid of it anyway. So with everything that I'm getting rid of, if it's in good condition, I will be donating it to charity, or I'll be selling it on my Depop, which I will link down below for you so you can check it out. And with everything that's really old or has holes in it, I will be recycling it. Then it can be made into brand new clothes. So no matter what happens with the things that I'm getting rid of, it is going to be going to a new home, or it is going to be made into new clothes. So if you want to see part 2 of me decluttering my wardrobe, then just keep watching. This next one is probably going to be the hardest one for me to get rid of. So this one is all of my occasion dresses. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 of these dresses already. I know some of them that I'm not going to get rid of. So for instance, this one, I wore it to New Year, and I think it is the perfect dress to wear for New Year. So it is a really nice sparkly dress, and I love the back of this as well. So I'm going to be keeping this because I really do like it. This next one I got from H&M when I went to Paris the first time. I think this is so pretty. I did wear this for Valentine's Day. I love the colour of it. I love that it is a mini dress as well. So this is what it looks like. It's really fluorescent actually. It's like a fluorescent pinky red shade, and I love this. I love the detail on the front as well, so this is going to be staying with me. This next one I got from River Island. This one I'm going to be getting rid of because I've never worn it before. I do like the pattern on it, but I've just had this for so long and it's still got the tag on it. Still says that it was £30, never ever worn it. I think I might have actually got it in the sale, but I don't know. But that's what the pattern looks like, so it is really pretty, but never worn it, so I am going to be getting rid of it. This next one, again, I wore for a birthday. I can't remember which birthday it was, but I just love this. Just look at how beautiful the sequins are on here. So this one is definitely staying with me. And then this one is also another sequin dress, and this one I wore for my mum's 50th, and I just love this. Just look at how good it is when it's shining in the light. So this one I'm definitely going to be keeping because I really do love it. This one I've actually worn quite a lot, and this one was actually from Primark. I wear this a lot when I go out with my work friends because it's just so easy to put on. So this one I'm definitely going to be keeping. As you can see, it's like an army green colour, and it's just really good, and it looks perfect with my hair colour as well. So definitely keeping that because it is really good. I don't know if I'm actually going to get rid of the rest of them because I've worn them for different things. So for instance, this one, I just think it's so pretty. This one did come with a belt, but I don't know where the belt is. And this one I wore for a wedding, and I just think it's so pretty. This was the only size that I had. It was a medium to large, but they're all pretty much exactly the same size because the only difference was really the belt with it. So this is what this one looks like. I love the pattern of it. It's perfect for summer. So I'm going to be keeping this in case I go to another wedding, then I can wear this. And then this one again, I've worn to a wedding. I think it's pretty. I wear it with a belt as well, and that's what it looks like. So it's a polka dot one, and I just think it's so nice. So this one is going to be staying with me because it's just a staple for if I go to any weddings or anything like that, then I know that I can just wear this. These next two dresses, I feel like I need to get rid of them, but I really don't want to because they are really nice and I've worn them several times, and they're good summer dresses as well, but I don't know if my style's changed. I'm going to get rid of these just because I don't know if I'm going to wear them anymore. So I did get these in America, and they are really, really pretty. This one, you know what, I'm going to get rid of them for the moment, and then if I change my mind, then they are going back in my collection because I do really like these and I've worn these several times. So this is what this one looks like. So it's a blue dress with a blue overlay, and it is just really pretty, and it is a really nice mini dress. So this one is perfect for weddings. No, I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this, and I'm also going to keep the other one because I really like them. and I got them from America as well. So this one is pink one with a black overlay as well. So this one is again really, really pretty. So it's just easy to put on, especially if you're going to like an occasion or something. So this one is staying with me as well. This next one I can't see myself getting rid of. So again, this is one of those ones where I think Miley Cyrus had worn it and I got it off of eBay because I loved it. And I can't see myself getting rid of it because of how pretty it actually is. So that's what it looks like. I love the detail on the arms. I don't know if I'm ever going to wear it, but you know when there's just like a dress and you're like, that is really beautiful. I don't think I'm going to get rid of it. And I've done really, really bad on this so far, so hopefully I'm going to finally get rid of one. This next one I actually wore for my sister's wedding and I was 18 at the time. This one is a pixie lock dress and it is actually massive for me, but my mum had to take it in and I just think it's so pretty. So this one is going to be staying with me because it just brings back memories of that wedding. So this is what it looks like. That's what the pattern looks like. So as you can see, there are a couple of threads that are coming loose, but it is a really nice dress. It is really pretty. So this one I'm going to be keeping. This next one, again, I absolutely love it, but some of the gems are falling off it. I have worn this and loads of people said how much they liked it, and this one was just so quick and easy to put on. So this one again is another mini dress. This one is from River Island and this is what the pattern looks like. So I think I'm going to keep this one for the moment. If it works out that I don't really want it anymore, then I will get rid of it, but so far it's going to be staying with me. This next one I have here, I am going to be getting rid of this because I don't think I've ever worn it. Now I've still got the tag on it and this came from Topshop. So this one is really pretty. It is like a Grecian dress and it does have sequins on there, but I don't think I'm ever going to wear this. It just doesn't seem like my style because I do have broad shoulders. It's probably not the best for like the cap sleeves and things like that. So that is what the pattern looks like. So it is so pretty on there, but I don't think I'm going to keep it. So I'm going to get rid of this to give it to a better home. And this last one, I really like this one. I've worn this to several occasions and I think I actually wore this to the graduation from college when I was there. So this one again is really pretty. I love the pattern of it. I did get this for my birthday years and years ago. I think I was like 17 or something, but I still really like the style of it and I'm going to keep this because it's just really pretty and it gives me lots of memories and things like that. So those are all the occasion dresses and I did not do very good on that. I only got rid of 2. I wish I got rid of more, but when I was just looking at them and they hold loads of different memories and things like that, and I got back to knowing that they were still in my collection, then it is one of those where I don't know, it just felt like that it needed to stay with me. So I'm going to get rid of these and put them back in my bedroom and we're going to move on to the rest of the things. So I think for the last bit I'm just going to go through the rest of the things that I have on here. There's just a load of jumble of things on here and I feel like I could probably just go through them and see what needs to stay, what needs to go and things like that. So I do have 2 maxi dresses here and these ones are ones that are sleeveless. So these 2 I'm going to be keeping because I have worn them several times. They're just so easy to put on, especially when I go to work as well when it is summer. So these ones are really good and I'm going to be keeping these. And then I have these 2 t-shirt dresses from Boohoo. Going to get rid of these because they are really short for me. So I don't know if you can see, but there is a slit right here and they just seem really short when I wear them. Both of these are going because I don't think I'm going to wear them. I've had them in my collection for about 3 years. So again, I've got some more maxi dresses. I wear these a lot when I go out for events for work because they are just really easy to put on. So I'm going to see if there's any that have like any problems with them, like holes or anything like that, because if they do then I'm going to get rid of them. If they don't then I'm going to keep them. So you can actually see how much I love these Boohoo maxi dresses. Thing is, you do need to get a size up because they are really, really thin and they are really small. So I do have quite a lot. I have a burgundy, a black one, an army green one, and then a stone colour. So these are actually really good. So what I'm going to do is I think I might keep them all. So I'm going to keep the burgundy one, I'm going to keep the black one because it is just an easy one to wear. I don't think I've even worn this one. I'm going to keep that one. And I'm going to keep the green one as well. Yeah, so I'm going to keep all 4 of these because they are just quick, easy, simple things to wear if you are going away for work. And then I have some more dresses as well. So this one I got ages ago from H&M. I don't know if I've even worn it. But this one I thought was going to be really good for work. So it does have a striped pattern on here. I do think it's really pretty and I think it will be perfect for winter, so I'm going to be keeping this because I know that it's probably going to work out really well. These ones, I think I'm likely going to get rid of them. This one I'm definitely going to get rid of. This one is a purple shade, and these are all long sleeve. I did get these from Forever 21. They are really good material, but this one I'm going to be getting rid of because I just haven't worn it. And then these, I love the black one, so the black one is going to be staying with me. I think I'm going to get rid of this one as well. I also have some trousers as well, and I love my trousers that I wear for like work and things like that. These ones I really do like. Haven't worn them in years, so I'm just going to get rid of these. But I used to wear these all the time. I love the pattern on these. This was when the funky trousers were a thing, but I absolutely love the pattern on here, so I just don't wear them. I'm going to get rid of them, even though it's sad because I do love them so much. They're just going to go. These ones are my Billabong ones. These ones are full length. Billabong is actually the only place that I've managed to find that do these types of trousers that are full length on me, because I do have 34-inch legs. The majority of places are really, really short legs, so these ones I'm going to be keeping. I'll wear them all the time. That's what the pattern looks like. They're so pretty, so these are staying with me. These next ones are cropped culottes. I love these. Again, I'm going to be keeping these. These are from New Look, I think. But these ones are really, really good. They fit me perfectly. They're like a salmon pink colour. I got so many compliments when I wore them to work, so these ones are staying with me again. And then I've got some play suits, and then some more dresses and some jumper dresses. So this play suit I bought ages ago from Quiz. I was going to wear this to a wedding, but I ended up wearing a dress instead. This is what the pattern looks like. I think it's really, really pretty. I'm gonna get rid of this. I've never worn it. It's really pretty, but I don't think I'm gonna get the use out of it. And then another play suit. I also have a striped version of this, which is the same stripe as this. And I have this that I actually wore yesterday, so I'm gonna be keeping this, and I'm gonna be keeping the striped one because I did put it in the wash yesterday. So these are staying with me because they are perfect staples from Hollister. This one is a Hollister midi dress. Love this. Did have this in my Hollister haul recently. That's what the pattern looks like. So pretty. Keeping this again. Another play suit from Hollister. Keeping this. This is what the pattern looks like. And it is just like a culotte style. So this one I'm going to be keeping because it is so pretty. I have this dress as well that I wore to a wedding in the summer. And it does have buttons. So it's not one of those that's really open like that. So please do not think that this is really open like that. So yeah. So this one I'm going to keep because I love it. I got loads of compliments on it. This one I bought for a christening that I didn't end up going to. So this one is a really nice pale pink shade, and it's sort of like a 1940s dress. And I'm going to be keeping this for if I go to another christening because I just think it's perfect for that. And it was on sale and it was really nice. This one is a Maxi Dress. I'm going to get rid of this because I haven't actually worn it in all the years that I've had it. So this is what the pattern looks like. So it is really, really pretty, but I just know that I'm not going to wear it, so that one is going to go to a new home. And this one is the last one, which is a jumper dress that I got in the winter. I'm going to keep this because it is just so nice and thick, and I know that I'm going to get my use out of it in winter, so this one is staying with me. So I've actually cleared off all of my rails. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put everything back on the rail just so we can see the difference and see if there is some more space. But I feel like I actually got rid of some of the things that I didn't think I'd get rid of, but then other things I thought that I'd get rid of more. So I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the stuff on, and then we're going to come back and see what it looks like. Might not look like a massive difference. I've actually got rid of 20 items, and that is way more than I thought that I would get rid of, and it is so heavy, like really, really heavy. There's so much stuff here. So I've got some here, also some here, so that's 20 items in total that I'm getting rid of. So these are all going to brand new homes, and I wish that I did get rid of some more, but it's just when you look at things, and I do have sentimental value, it's one of those where I don't really want to get rid of them just because I know that I'm either going to regret if I got rid of them, or I know that I'm going to use them again. So hopefully I will do another spring cleaning, and I will be putting all these on Depop as well. So everything that I feel like can be sold, I will put on Depop. So I will link that down below for you so you can check it out. But so far it looks so much better than it was when I first started. And this is what it looks like with all of the ones that I'm getting rid of. So remember when I first started doing this, all of this was jam-packed all to there and I couldn't even move it. So I've got rid of a massive chunk of 20 right here, so it looks so much better. So I am really happy with how we did. So I'm going to go ahead and put all the other things back in my old wardrobe so I can see how much room I have in there. But I am happy with the things that I got rid of, and I don't think I'm going to regret seeing these go. So I'm so excited, and yeah, this is what it looks like.